What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Luna Nyacho. I'm original from Kathmandu, Nepal. I'm living in Phoenix, Arizona with my husband.
What kind of cuisines do you cook and which one is your favorite?
I cook all different kinds of food, but my favorite is my home-based cooking, which is cuisines from Nepal.
Which is your biggest culinary achievement?
Recently, I was promoted as a CFO and my husband threw a big party for me, but I told him I will be cooking. And I cooked French for all of my guests. I had about 100 guests and I did everything from scratch, from appetizers, main course, everything, even dessert, and everybody loved it.
What is your worst cooking disaster?
I was helping the cook that we had at house to prepare for the feast, and I was cutting meat. So back home, we don't use the chopping board and the knife. We use this, you step on the foot and then there's a blade goes straight up and you cut the meat, goes that up and goes down. And then that blade, instead of cutting the meat, I instead cut my index finger. So I was like this for about 3-4 days.
Besides cooking, what is your biggest passion in life?
I have two greatest passions. One is my dog. And the second thing is me and my husband, we travel a lot. We have been to most beautiful places in the world. We eat different kind of food.
What would you like to tell your followers about your cooking?
I've been living in the United States for last 14 years. And the one thing that I miss is the food from Nepal. To keep that alive, if you go to my profile, you will see lots of authentic cuisines from Nepal. I have a beautiful dog named Romeo. He's 4 years old and I make yummy, delicious dog treats and birthday cakes for him. You can find the recipe on my profile.